My name's Eric Budden. I'm the president of DBL Landscaping in Arizona. I think we were one of the first implementers to go full portfolio on the SmartLink system. Back in the day, before we had SmartLink, every seasonal change, a weather event, rain, whatever it was, we'd have to physically drive to every single one of those timers and get out of the truck and manually change the programming, get back in the truck, drive to the next site. Now we eliminate all that drive time, all those little trips throughout the year on, 600-700 timers, which is like 300 different sites. The savings are huge.
I've had probably at least a couple a week of issues come up where potential leak or broken sprinklers or anything like that. And now especially with the weather being cooler and us not having to get out there for a few days, being able to just go in there and remotely turn off the water without having to drive out there and turn off the timers or turn off the water from the backflow, easily saves probably 5 to 10 hours a week just with that aspect of it.
Everything that we talk about that Weathermatic can do for us, like our phones have been able to do for a while, our printers can do some of these things. So it's great to see technology starting to come into the green industry and make all the technology better and make everybody's lives better, from the crews to account managers to property managers to property owners. I only see that getting better and better.